Hey y'all, I hope y'all can see me. It is moving day. The movers are here, and of course, true to Tammie form, I am not ready. Hey y'all, so I am coming to a showing, and I think I found home. You know how you make a decision and you have anxiety, but the anxiety is like hoping that you that it happens the way that you want it to. That's how I'm feeling right now. So when I reached out to the realtor and she sent me the pictures of the space, the pictures did not do it justice. I was just like, I don't think that I'm gonna like it. And I drive up and I come in, and the first thing that I noticed is the unit is where it's located. It's spacious. I mean, space on top of space. So let me back up. First of all, it's relatively new. We're in 2025. It was built in 2018. So it's a newer style of housing. Second of all, the layout feels like me. I'm more of like a modern minimalist. I love open space. I don't like clutter. Clutter actually makes me feel anxious. And this apartment feels very open. It's a 2-bedroom, so I have my space, of course, my bedroom, but then also I have a filming space. The kitchen, which is where we are right now, is so big. It smells good in here. I don't know what she sprayed, but it smells nice in here. They have ambient lighting. Y'all know how I love a good lamp, but also they have LED lights as well. It's within my price range. It's close to work, close to grocery stores and restaurants and things of that nature. So I'm not living in the cut. I don't like, I live in a more rural town, but it still has like city vibes. Like, child, I'm. It's like it's. Oh, hi. Her daughter came in, heard me talking to y'all, was like, "What is going on?" But yeah, it is. It is. But anyway, I'm gonna get off of here. I hope that I get to live here. If so, of course, I'm gonna give y'all a tour. But we're trying to work out logistics right now. So I'll come back. Hey y'all, I hope y'all can see me. It is moving day. The movers are here, and of course, true to Tammie form, I am not ready. Yesterday, I was dead tired when I got off of work, and so I tried to get up this morning and organize stuff so it'll be easy to unpack, but it's go time now. Like 90% of the stuff I got out of here, but of course, there's like odds and ends things that is still lingering. Relatively to like hiring to a moving company, I don't have a lot of stuff. It's just mostly my personal belongings. But because I'm living in this apartment, it's on the second floor. Yeah, but yeah, you can go ahead and close it up. Close it up and take it downstairs. But relatively, but because I hired a moving company, like it's like 4 men that came to work.
What store you want me to have people?
Shoot. If you want to, like, okay, this.
Yeah.
You can fill it up. Hold on, I have to take.
Okay.
This is going to for donation.
Okay, this is just for donation?
Yeah, so we can take it, but it's going in the back of my car.
Okay.
Oh goodness.
Sorry, is it?
Y'all, so we have arrived to the new place. The movers are moving my things in, and so I'm just having them to put it in one room. I'll sort it after a while, but yeah, they are hard at work. Y'all hire movers, because when you hire movers, you can just rest. Like, I'm single, I'm a black woman, this helps. You see all that testosterone behind me, muscles? I ain't about that life. I don't have that together. I don't have the brute upper body strength that these men have. They are unpacking, unloading my prized possessions, and yeah, it is go time up in these parts.
You want to climb?
Huh?
You want to climb that?
You see, when you do what you're supposed to do, like when you try to accomplish your goals, and people see that you're grinding, trying to accomplish your goals, they will help you. More times than not, I've been in places just recording for my YouTube channel, and people have given me experiences like this. I did not ask these brothers to help me to stand on top of this moving truck, but they are helping me to stand on top of this moving truck because they see the grind. They see the grind. Can I get a picture up here?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get another one. Because I wasn't ready. The obligatory I'm moving shot. Okay, let me get another one. Hold on, I want to pose with one of these boxes. Thumbnail.
Can you bring her down?
Yes, bring me down. I can't jump down. I got bad knees.
What? I can catch you.
Oh, that's so sweet. What you say you can catch me?
Yeah, you jump.
Okay. You probably can with that string. Well, that was fun. Don't worry, y'all. I got so much crap. Oh, Lord. And I'm the type of person, comment below if you're this type, but I'm the type of person that when I move in, I can't rest until I at least get stuff put the way I want it. I guess I can show y'all this room. So this was a second bedroom in my apartment, but I basically am having them to just put everything in here, and then I can sort through it. This is crazy. But when I tell you that, watch, I'm gonna get it done, I'm gonna get it done. Because I can't rest until like everything is where I want it. And then after that, we can start like tweaking. But I will definitely give y'all a tour another time to tell you that I'm excited, to tell you that I have been dreaming of this day for a long periodically time. Yes, in the kitchen. I have been dreaming of this day for a long time, y'all. But the truck is empty, y'all. Now comes my part. I actually have to unload all of that stuff, unpack all of that stuff. They just taking my TV out of the car. But yeah, it's empty.
Is it really enough? Giving my heart and my soul, but still don't feel like enough. Feeling inadequate, still getting after it. Trust me, the feeling is tough. Feeling is rough. Hold on a second, I'm thinking too much. Really wanna flow like water, but I don't drink it enough. Spending more time with my daughter. Really enjoying the innocence. Teaching her mind, omnipotence. All of the things I never been taught. Stuck in my mind, all of these thoughts throwing me off. But hold that thought just for a second. I got 2 incoming calls.
Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I'm not too much. Tell me that I'm more than fragile. Tell me that I'm more than fragile. Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I'm not too much. Tell me that I'm more than fragile. Tell me that I'm more than fragile.
Look, confidence I'm seeking, insecurity speaking. Just to numb these thoughts, I've been overly drinking. Talking to myself like my niggas, you tweaking. Couple steps away just from diving off the deep end. I've been lacking love, or it's probably bad reception. They calling for a favor, make me think they don't respect him. If that's all you need, then my phone I'll be rejecting. Nick, where's the love? Can't you call me just to check in?
Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I'm not too much. Tell me that I'm more than fragile. Tell me that I'm more than fragile. Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I'm not too much. Tell me that I'm more than fragile. Tell me that I'm more than fragile.
I don't blame nobody for feelings that's inside me, but still it starts to burn like some cayenne and wasabi. Package up my feelings, leave it hanging in the lobby, but it's heavy. Hey, my nigga, can you spot me at least? Hide the body at least. All this music shit I'm doing ain't a hobby to me. You see, I'm trying to be the GOAT, just be Scotty at least. If you ain't driving where I'm going, at least go sign on the lease. I'm saying though.
Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I'm not too much. Tell me that I'm more than fragile. Tell me that I'm more than fragile. Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I am enough. Tell me that I'm not too much. Tell me that I'm more than fragile. Tell me that I'm more than fragile.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, oh, I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing no knees.
They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and it's man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fitting in, I'ma stand out.
I done seen these crash out. They some baby boys, I'm the man now. They was questioning, make them fans now. I'm the best in my league and that's hands down. Understand now, got plans now, got big dreams. Now that, got big schemes since 16s, hot 16s. I started broke, then I fixed him. I been king, I been him. My bad, my whip clean. I been hot, that's benzene. You been not, that's cold stream. That's cold things, that's cold things. I'm motivated like Kobe. These don't know me, it's my time, check
I rise and I wake and
yeah.
I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. Joke up a jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm the. Look in the mirror like, damn it, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these. They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and it's man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fitting in, I'ma stand out.